Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 feels like shouting into the void. You hit upload and nothing happens. No views, no subscribers, and no clue what's going wrong. But what if I told you there is actually a proven path to grow your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers even if you were starting with just your phone, no fancy gear, and zero experience? In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step playbook to grow your channel the smart way, using strategies that are working right now in 2025. Let's start with the foundation: your niche. It needs to be clear, searchable, and offer real value. If your content is too broad, no one will find it. Too niche, and no one's searching for it. Use the YouTube search bar, TubeBuddy, or Vidiq to explore what people are actively looking for in your area of interest. The sweet spot lies in topics that people need and search for, but that aren't oversaturated with competition. Some of the hottest niches in 2025 include how-to tutorials, personal finance and digital income, short-form storytelling, and beginner-friendly guides. Whatever niche you choose, your channel should answer one big question: why should someone subscribe to me? If you're unclear on that, your audience will be too. Now, when you're starting out, don't waste time trying to copy massive creators or invent wild content formats. Just focus on 3 types of videos. First, search-based tutorials. These bring in traffic. Think how to start a YouTube channel on your phone. Second, trending or list-style videos. They're click magnets. For example, top 5 side hustles in 2025. And third, personal challenge or journey videos. They build real connection. Like I tried growing a YouTube channel from scratch for 30 days. These 3 formats help you attract viewers, earn trust, and feed the YouTube algorithm with the right signals. But here is a big secret: your title and thumbnail are often more important than the video itself. Why? Because if no one clicks, no one watches. Before you film anything, take a few minutes to craft a powerful title and sketch a compelling thumbnail. Ask yourself, would I click this? Does it spark curiosity or offer value? Is it bold, simple, and easy to understand at a glance? Tools like Canva, Photopea, and ThumbsUp TV make thumbnail design fast and beginner-friendly. No graphic design skills needed. Let's talk consistency. YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. You don't need to upload every day, but you do need a rhythm. Set a schedule you can actually stick to. For faster growth, aim for 1 long-form video and 2 shorts per week. Batch your content, record multiple videos on weekends and schedule them in advance. Don't wait for perfect lighting or audio. Done is better than perfect, especially in the beginning. And yes, you'll cringe at your first few uploads. That's normal. It means you're improving. Now don't forget, YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a community. Engage with it. Comment on videos from other small creators in your niche. Offer genuine insights, not spammy self-promo. Reply to your own viewers. Mention other creators in your videos too. For example, you can say, I got this idea from Mr. X. You should check them out. That little gesture could lead to a shout-out, a collab, or a wave of new viewers discovering you. If you want to fast-track your growth, here's your secret weapon: YouTube Shorts. Shorts are the shortcut to discoverability right now. They're bingable, algorithm-friendly, and perfect for growing from scratch. Make short 15 to 30-second clips with a strong hook, 1 clear takeaway, and a call to action. Even 1 viral short can push your channel over 1,000 subs in a single weekend. Now here's your challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick 1 strategy from this video and apply it this week. Just 1. You don't need to master everything all at once. Momentum is what matters. You'll learn, adapt, and grow with each upload. If this helped you, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this content is worth sharing. Subscribe for more creator growth tips every week. And drop a comment below. What's your YouTube niche? I'd love to give you personalized tips to help you grow. Thanks for watching. Now go create something awesome.